Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Abi, you know that. I want to thank God and thank you guys for another opportunity for us to meet again to share our views and learn something new. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Then you like it and then you share it to your friends and family. Join me today as I prepare this simple but healthy Gari Fortor recipe. Yes, stir fry Gari, Gari Jollof. Gari, also known as granulated cassava, it are rich in calories, carbohydrates, and iron, making this dish a good source of energy you can't afford to miss. This recipe of mine is simple and quick to prepare. So, you know what? Let's get started. Yes, Gari is derived from cassava. Yeah, cassava flakes gives us Gari, and it's a very good source of energy. So to begin with, these are my prepped ingredients. I have my sausage, my onions, my bell peppers, carrots, and scallions, of which I'll list them in the description box. And then I have my stew. Yeah, this is stew I prepared, and then I reserved this for my Gari. And then of course the mother ingredients, that is the cassava flakes or granulated cassava. That's Gari. Yeah, so I'll share with you how a link on how I prepare my stew. So I start by sauteing all my veggies with some olive oil, as I'm doing here. So I begin with the onions and then I add my carrots. Stir fry Gari, then I add my bell peppers. Then I add my sausage, and then I add a little spice to it. My stew is already spicy and it's also has salt and pepper in it, so I'm not going to incorporate that here. Just look at that. Yes, stir fry Gari. Yeah, this is the Chinese style. Gari Fortor with a class. Yes. So now my veggies are almost set, so I add my stew for it to incorporate each other. You can see it's so beautiful. You can see the Ghanaian colors, red, gold, green. Yes, Ghana Gari Fortor special. Gari Fortor with a class. Yes, I call it Gari Jollof or Gari fried rice. Very simple to prepare, but tastes great. If you attended a boarding school in Ghana here, then you are gonna love Gari Fortor or Gari shit. That's Gari with shito. Yeah, so I add some eggs to it. Yeah, because I want it to be a bit moist and also rich. So I scramble the eggs for it to incorporate into the vegetables so that the flavor will spread across the whole dish. Yes, another baby I come. So what you say? Yes. Yeah, so I just scrambled my eggs. I want this recipe to be rich. And so the inquiry so medium in Gari. No, this is Gari with a class. Gari Fortor with a class. Gari Fortor with a class. Kempiski Gari. Just look at that. Our stew or our sauce is ready. So I work on my Gari. Yeah, this half cup Gari. So I just add a little salt water and then I stir. I just want it to be a bit dumpy or a bit moist. Then I add to my sauce and just look at that. Very simple, quick to prepare. If you want a quick lunch or a quick dinner, this recipe is for you, and the kids are going to love it. Yes, you know kids wouldn't like to eat Gari per se, so if you make it this way, it looks attractive, it's nutritious, flavor pack, it's aromatic, and they are going to enjoy it. Gone were the days people will say Gari because it's very cheap, it's meant for the low income earners or for the poor. But no, this recipe is for everybody depending on how you make yours. If you follow this, you are going to enjoy yourself. So at this point, I add my scallions. That's the last ingredient. And just look at that. Very tasty, very delicious. And the aroma coming out is and it's also colorful. Oh my god. Ghana Gari Fortor papebi. Abi, you see. Yes, so our dish is ready. Thank you for standing by and watching this video. God bless you. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to support a worthy cause. I love you guys. So we meet again in our next video. Bye bye.